Alright, Sherpa Steve, get to work. Looking for oil.
So it was on this side.
No, because the oil pan's right there, so it's pretty much in the middle. See if we can change the oil. It's yeah.
Oh, there it is, right here.
Found her?
Right there, yeah.
That's easy. Okay.
Just don't like these wrench. Oh, that's it there.
Yeah, you broke her.
Oh yeah, it wasn't too tight. What was this? What's that one there?
That would be a
14?
A 14.
Really?
Yeah, I wouldn't think it would be a 10. That's way too small for the oil.
Well, I got that number off this one, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah, you gotta do that. No, yank it out. Do both sides.
What's that?
Just doing the top? I usually pull it right out and do both sides.
What's that?
Of the gasket? Maybe I'm just picky. There you go. And the Breaking Bad mobile will be brand new and
the Breaking Bad mobile.
Yeah.
That's a good one. I like that.
Yeah. I've called that. I called it that
so
for.
True, though.
Yeah, it is. This one doesn't look too bad.
No, it's pretty good.
Pretty good. Yeah. All good. All good.
Yeah, we get there.
So, do you think the A stands for awesome in the 3A?
That's 3 liters of oil. Look at that. It's pretty full. So that 3.5 would be about right.
Gonna fire it up. See how she goes. It's new spark plugs. Oh, new oil. Holy crap! That is big difference. That's no. That is much nicer. That is like running like a kitten. No. Whack and roll, buddy. Yeah. There you go.
Not bad.
It's dirt. It's not. Yeah.
Filthy.
No, it's not like chunky. And there's no coolant or anything there, so that's good. No coolant.
No weird things floating, white, yellow.
Yeah. No metal pieces. That kind of stuff. I think we did pretty good. Or you did pretty good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
On behalf of the crew, the pit crew.
I was a pit crew.
Yeah.
That's good. The powerhouse. She's a mean machine.
I kind of stuttered there for a second, but
yeah.
okay.
Now we take her out and do some brake stands and no blue now. Perfect. Yeah, mission accomplished.
All good.
All good.